Hi, my name is Julie, and my assignment was to calculate the average number of units sold in each transaction by a specific salesperson. So I'm just going to go here to the Excel spreadsheet that was assigned to me, and we are going to just select a random cell. We're actually going to use the formula average if. We can double click that, and then we're gonna go over here to the where the names are, and we're gonna click on those, comma, we're gonna just use the name Betsy in this example. So we're gonna put that in quotation marks, double quotation marks. We're going to do another comma, and then we're going to go here under units and select that. And then we're going to close the parentheses and hit enter. And so that's going to give us the average number of units sold for Betsy. So let me just write that here on the side. If I go down here and let's just do it again and do Ashley. So let's go down here and do Ashley, hit enter, and we're going to actually use the same formula, but in this case we're going to substitute Betsy with Ashley, so it's still going to be equals average if. We can just double click this down here. The range will be the same, then all of the names, and then we're going to do comma, double quotation, and we're going to write Ashley, comma, and then we're going to go over here to units and close the parentheses, hit enter, and it'll give us a number for her as well. We can come over here and actually hover or highlight these, double click, it only highlighted one, double click. We're going to come down here to number format, and we can actually change this from having decimal places. We can just do no decimal places, and it'll actually round up the number. If we come down here and do the same thing, we can come here to number format, number, and no decimal places, hit OK, and it'll just round up the number. You can do the same thing for all of the salesperson or sell people on this Excel spreadsheet.